Good morning everyone, today April 21st, 2022, and good morning all traders again. As reporting overview, a stock overview at 7 a.m. Central Time, we can see is US dollars Dow energy is up. Yes, that's the big point right there. Be careful. Yep, and go kind of down a little bit, like $13. But the crude oil it's getting up like 96 cents, almost $1. So very careful. And today they kind of mass a little bit, not fully green, but they get some green. Please sell it, and especially some earning reportings company focus on it. And the first company we're going to take a look today are BLX, that's Roblox, and they have a two map on the screen. The left one show the layer you have to buy, and the second map on the right hand side show direction where they go. Usually right now it's 36, and when they go down to 35, buy it from, you can get some whatever right now, and have to buy it from around 35 or lower than 35 just to be safe. And right now we can see this costs around $37, but we can sell as 38, 39. That's good enough. Do not expect like 40, because whoever on the stock industry, long enough, and this stock costs $60 something. When I was buying like 70 some and still selling like 80, 90, even though $100, we are making really good money in the past last year. And especially this one is over $141, and lowest is $36 right now. Is the best time to buy it. It's really good, and it's very powerful company. It's B++, $21 billion, and they move around like $40 to $36. And even though right now V1 you can buy like 10, 20 share, 50 share, 100 share, depend how big in your account. But we can tell from the earning last year look kind of good, but the earning this year you will not find the numbers here, but I can tell that's around $64, and we can tell the earning data is a little negative. Q1 is negative, like it's negative 18 point, and the revenue is positive $568 million. That's really pretty good, because that's not something you can see. So a lot of people they know, because how can I find out that number? Of course, it's knowledge and money. So the second stock today is like yesterday, say CHCG. So we're going to take a look at the right hand side. That's the direction of where to go. Is this over past $20 for today? Actually, and the left one is the layer where you buy it. Where they at. Keep them on the safe layer the most you can. So we can tell right now is yesterday we can see CHCG. Yesterday was like 16 point some, and just today a lot of my students buy around 16, 17, and they sell even though 18 or 19. It's pretty good. It's really good. What's going on with this? So with the earning, the important thing is a positive earning, 0.06, and revenue they have $420 million in this. We can tell that's the last Q and last year, and this Q is not report yet. And we can sell them around 20.5 $25 to $21, you know, or more than that, you know, depend how much money you want to have in your profit. Then we can tell, and it's very positive in the wisdom charge, and the insider charge we can tell it's got really good avenue, and it's kind of good report in, but in the analyzed system is this very neutral for the individual smart score, but they move really good looking right now, and one day they can move around like more than $3 like that. That mean this stock have to get more than 15%, you know, even though 20% when they've moved, and especially the cap is $1.47 billion, and the highest one is $32 and the lowest one $14, and right now it's kind of in between. But look at the employees number, almost 40,000 people, and the main company in Pennsylvania, and especially this is a US stock, and this company is in 1976. Is, oh my god, I feel like 10,000 years old. It's really pretty long time, and that's mean, you know, the quality of the company is, and especially it's in healthcare service. The healthcare service is, and especially the healthcare, this one is got really good rotation range, because, you know, it's more than 18 look like it, and their financial really stable. We can tell it's go down a little bit since 2018 to 2021, and it's 22 is go, but anyway, the revenue that they make. So the third company today we are going to take a look is ABB. So those ABB, don't mess them up with the Indian market, the Indian stock. They have a 2 and another different country, but we are focused on ABB in the US. We can tell is start going down. That means we know we have to buy them around 30. That's perfect. And right now we can see a lot of people expect it's going to be 35, because that's be around, you can see it's around 34, 33, 35. That's around, they move a lot, and right now they drop a lot. That means we buy in the deep, you know, a lot of structure, a lot of function, a lot the fiction. We need to know how to read them, and you know, your deciding is make your financial go. That's usually that's the main direction, and we can tell the ABB group right now is around, you know, it's 33.5, but the main thing is keep them around. So you can see yesterday is 31.49, 50, you know, and right now is 33 some. It's mean over $1, $2, let's say $2, over $2 a day. That's pretty good. It's not even 10%, but 5% we can sell is around 34, 35. That's good enough. You know, even though 34.5, 35 is good, but remember today is the market not fully green. They kind of match a little bit. That's why I pick some. This kind of moving very weird. Pick up some moment and get in. Buy it and sell it right away. If you're going to buy it on C, you have to buy really low price. Remember, we have to set a many order when we could. Remember how good you are in setting many order. That's how much profit you're going to get. I have a student, you get like over 200 orders a day, and I let you know her number is 15. Yeah, see, it's scary. Even though she's sick, but she still makes some money. Why do I have to say that really personal story? Because, you know, it's pretty good mom. She got 2 kids. And we back with the stock again. Is this stock is the highest one, $39, and around lowest one is $30. And And you know, right now is around $33. We can look at around, you know, 33 is a good 33 30, like every order you drop them 30 to 50 cents. That's be awesome. Thank you very much, and see you guys tomorrow. Make and mass market today, don't forget that.